live. Welcome to our vlog. This is Mrs. Vince PH. Good morning. I'm gonna show you now the updated Avenida. So this is the Fariones Hotel. Is it Fariones Hotel? Anyway, Fariones area. And this is the Mercadona or the Soco. That is a Mercadona. Where's the Mercadona? There is the Mercadona, sorry. So weather is not too good today. So by the way guys, if you want some, you know, branded boutique, we have here already. This is already open here in Soco building. So if you love some, what do you call this, branded like Burberry, and the Balenciaga, LV. So there are lots of good brands here. If you love shopping, this one here in Soco building near Mercadona. Okay, so let's go walking while talking. So it's raining already. My God. It's raining already. It's a shower. It's already winter. Hope it's gonna snow later. I think there's no good view here in Fariones area. Only this one, you could see that one, the cars. Oh, Trans Boutique, they are open from I think 9:30. So if you want to shop here, Trans, I think this is already open. So I think they are open at 9:30. Trans Boutique is open at 9:30 here. To those who want to shop here, I think the camera is too near me.
You can talk.
I can talk.
Even you're pointing out.
Yeah. What topic do you want to know about me or about Lanzarote today?
That's
so
something about yourself.
Something about myself.
How did you get here?
No, it's not appropriate to talk for how did I get it. By the way guys, I show this to you. So for now, this is the event in Puerto del Carmen. Okay, wait a minute, I'll show it to you. Look at this guys, there are lots of people. I think there is a, what game is that, D?
BSB.
What?
BSB.
Huh? BSB, I think. Yeah, this is live here, live Spanish sport. Yeah. So this is the Chiringuito bar here.
So used to what?
Yeah, where Mr. Vince used to work before. Sell clothes. I think they're open at 12. Yeah, this one is open at 12. Chiringuito bar here in Fariones. Beach Terrace at Chiringuito. Yeah. So that's it. That is what's happening today. Yeah. So there are still few people here in the bar restaurant. Yeah. Weather is not too good today. Not too good to be true today. Not too good. There is a little bit of shower. Yeah.
So guys, I'm so sorry about our image. It's a little bit dark. Look at the sky. It's dark.
Look at me.
Look at her. Dark.
It's dark. Too dark.
Dark, same as me. Vamos. So did you enjoy our introduction with my wife? Hey. So we went to the school today to bring the baby, and she's really happy today. Very, very, very happy. That's why I'm kindly concerned, you know. If you're so happy, at the end of the day, if something's gonna happen, I hope no. I hope she enjoyed the school today. So by the way, we are here in the Avenida as always. Walking here for almost 10 years.
There are flowers. There are purple flowers already.
Purple ba yun? Violet?
Purple, violet. Violet. I don't know how to distinguish purple and violet.
Oh, same color to me.
Boy, too early. Puerto is open already. Too early. There are lots of people there.
Yes, because of the breakfast here in the
Yeah.
the youth, the young ones playing frisbee. That's why they open so early in the morning. Time check, it's 9.
10.
It's 10 a.m. and look at the sky. Oof.
Ano, 9:30.
9:30 in the morning. Look at the weather, guys. This is not really the best thing, but yeah, luckily we still dry. We're still dry up here.
Update shenanigans. No people yet. No people yet. Are they open already? Not yet. They're still preparing. Valerie is closed. Yeah.
We got low tide. High tide. High tide, no?
High
yeah,
tide.
high tide today.
Because tide is high. That's why high tide. It's high tide because the tide is high. That's why high tide.
I know tide is a soap. We're just enjoying our walk today. You know, because I've been in bed for 2.5 days.
We haven't tried yet here for the English breakfast in the sea view and the Maritoni. So hopefully we could try there and have a review soon.
Soon, yes. Vinza.
Oh, what is this?
It's a brick.
So maybe they are preparing again. They're here. Preparing the bike lane again. They will make it wider. To those who will go here, who loves bike. So they will preparing again. They will make it wider, no? They will make it wider.
Yes. Yes.
The bike lane. They will make it wider.
Great weather.
As you can see, it's already 9:30. It's already 9:30. But as you can see, there are few people only at the beach now because I think, of course, the water is cold, the weather is not good, so everyone's still in the hotel or having breakfast outside. Look at this. It's empty here. There are people, a few there and there as well because I think it's too cold. It's winter already here. Did you hear that sound? What's that again? It's a broom. We're getting it already? Huh? We're getting it already? Huh?
Yes.
Everybody knows where Mr. Bean's page working. I'll show it to you. There, buffalo. The black buffalo. The black buffalo. Iba yung project dito. Iba siguro doon, no? Kaya rin ako, pero asal. Uy, dito tayo? Hey guys, so we are here. I think this is will open soon. New restaurant. I don't know what restaurant here. Bar or restaurant. But I think this is restaurant. This is below the La Rustica. Yeah, beside the Bella Sunshine. So look at this one. Maybe no December they will open it. Yeah. And hope we can open a bar soon as well. We wish, as we wish, we want to offer some bar as well for all of you guys, but soon, not now, later, but soon. Kumalma kami. Hila na naman yung trip ad namin. Punta na naman sa 15 niya. Ito pong 2 star, 3 star, 1 star. Nagbigay ka pa ng star. Wow. Mag-end pa naman yun.
Ha?
Baka makikita nyo.
Yeah.
Mga ano po.
Hola, día, amigo.
Buenas. Bien. So by the way guys, this is my first time to pass through here this morning. I never passed through here. You know it. If you're regular to the vlog, I don't do a vlog around here because you know people are very stupid sometimes. But today's fine. Today's okay. Pinocchio, Mojito, and a Royale. They're all opening up. It's only 10 in the morning. So yeah, just having a great time walking here. You see some few restaurants open at early in the morning, like Rocas Blancas. They open in very early in the morning, about 9 a.m. they're open. So guys, if you like the video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're just, you know, chilling around, walking. Yeah, I do have a Facebook page. I'm almost forget. Vince PH. You can contact me there, guys, if you want a message or Vince Rocas Blanca anyway. Work here before. Busy siya. Hindi na. Ah, this one too. Before it's what they call this? They sell shirts and everything. Now it's a drugstore. Great. So people got headache in the morning, they go straight there and buy some medicine for their heads. They have too much drink last night. We're just chilling around, walking, enjoying our time because later on I'm gonna work. Mommy as well, so yep. This is
Passing through Dos Mil, our favorite coffee shop.
cruzar, ¿o no?
Our favorite coffee shop in Avenida. Yeah, they are full today. Very full. Is there any chance to have coffee?
Let's go to €1 coffee, baby.
No, let's get €1 coffee in
Bolera. So guys, we've been stopped there for Dos Mil with my family. My mom is there and some friends because my mom will gonna go home in the Philippines this coming Tuesday. So they have a little, what they call this, a little, you know, get together. So we stopped there and say hello, and Rochelle is right there chatting with everyone. That's what I really love with my wife, you know. very open and very very jolly at the same time. So and my baby as well. I'm very lucky. They do have like that. I'm not kind of guy like jolly and very open. My wife, yes. But anyway, guys, like I said, we're just chilling, walking, and just to show you around. There's a lot of construction going on right there. Wendy's gonna be happy when it's finished. And I'm here in the bungalow, and the weather is not really great. There's a cloud somewhere there. It's getting dark sometimes, And it's a winter time. It's just passing by. It's just like a big dark gray sky. Sorry, big dark gray sky. Just clouds. Just pass through. So, yep. I'm just happy, because I'm gonna go to work now. I'm okay now. There's a little bit up, it's not 100%, but I'm fine right now. I'm okay. I'm okay to work. So yeah. So guys, if you like the video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, happy days. I'm back. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. They're gonna stay there for a while, chatting to each other, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So don't forget, guys, to subscribe. Hello, hi, how are you? You okay? Yeah. Not bad, getting well. Thank you. Have a great day, guys.
You too.
Bye. Please subscribe and share it to everyone, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm so happy there's a lot of people are here right now having their holidays and enjoying life. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching and have a great day, and see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.